my Shinidawa upside down DH230 bush trimmer. These are the original blades I bought with this machine all those years ago. As you can see, I'm missing a tooth there, missing one there, and I'm missing two there. I'm missing another one up here. So they've been sharpened and sharpened and sharpened. And my friend who is a tree trimmer guy says they've been sharpened, you cannot sharpen, it ain't worth sharpening, they don't stay sharp. So if you look how narrow those are there, I will get my new ones out. I got the repair shop. A nice pretty plastic bag. Well, it came in a box too, but anyway, I shall show you. Now you see how wide these tips here are? Look how wide the tips here are. This one's also, I think, a 30 inch. This is a 24 inch. I'm not sure about the length of this one, but this is a 30 inch. It's longer. And it's, I think, only not that much longer. We'll just see here, roughly. And I keep going a little more. About right there. Oh, yeah, about 6 inches longer. So this must be a 24 inch. Anyway, so I'm going to do that today. Nice mixed up video. And I got to take off these two screws here. And I got to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws there. Take off this cover here. And then also I'll loosen up those two bolts. The third one here, I believe. So I got 1, 2, and then 3, and then 1, 2, and then 3. And that drops all out. I'm not too sure about when I take this off. There's a grease there. I'll re-grease it all and clean it out on that. Okay, guys, I took the handle here off. There's 2 screws there. As a friend of mine come over to talk to me, so I turned the camera off. Now I got these 6 screws here, like I said, and then I loosen up these 3 here. Take that all apart. And I got those screws out there. I'm working on these here. I just broke my Allen off in that little hole there. That hole there broke my Allen in. Tip my Allen here, so we're doing that. And we'll see what's inside this little hole casing here. I'm not gonna sit there and film all this, so you guys just have to. I'll give you blow by blow as I go along. Okay, guys, got the old bar off here. There's a little clip here. I should have turned it on, but it all fits in. Hooks in there. Hooks in there. This whole plate was over here like this. Now I'll screw that back down and make sure I get this hole here lined up with that hole there. Those two holes. Should all have just fine, shouldn't it? We'll see. Anyway, I'll leave this on for a little bit and see if you guys see what I'm doing, making a mess. And 1 screw, 2 screws. There's 1 screw there. Put it down. Put it down. This little thing here keeps the dirt out of the gearbox. That's a good idea. I don't know if you guys are seeing this or not. And I think I will clean out all the old grease here. And then when I put it back together, I'll re-grease it. That's a lot of gooey grease. I don't think I can see, but some of the grease here is the original grease when I bought the thing. That's simple enough. And that one goes back in there like that. Up there. Okay, little screw, little wrench. 6 little screws. Two, three. And this is so much fun. Greasy, gooey mess. Something that need to be done a while. Should have been done last year, but I didn't buy the parts and pieces. And that's what goes on. Yeah. Okay guys, I got the 6 screws back on the bottom here. Got the gear housing back on. Now I'm going to put the 3 bolts on the front, 3 nuts. And this will be done. I gotta grease it. So and I got 2 screws up front to hold the handle on. I put those on yet, that on yet. And you want to know what's funny is I have never, in all the years I've owned this thing, I have never, ever changed the spark plug on this thing. So, which, you know, I probably should do. But it starts every time, like a champ. So, which is really odd. That's an 8, the other one's a 9. Different than this one. I mean, got extra holes here. I have no idea what those are for. Okay. Like I said, let's put the handle back on. Where'd my handle go? Oh, here's my handle. Out of the way. Put the handle back on. Oops. Yep, there's my screw. My washer. Ah, fooey. Ah, I dropped the wrench. The story of my life. That part's done. You know, I really should wash this filthy beast. Who cares? Okay, got our back together, guys. Now we're going to grease this thing up. I think I'm gonna grease my grease. Grease gun not agreeing with me, people. One. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm getting used to this warm weather now.
Yeah.
And you know we're gonna get 4 feet of snow in 2 weeks.
Really?
No, I'm just joking. It usually does in March, though. Hopefully not. That's my neighbor. Out of that shower. I think I got enough grease in there. And until the other day, I've owned this machine all this time. Until the other day, I didn't even know there was a greaser on here. Okay, I got gas in it. I have gas. Okay. Okay guys, got it all back together. Got the new bar on it. Let's see if she starts up. Take you over here. I already trimmed a little bit of this bush over here, so let's see how it works. But I can tell you, it cuts like butter to a hot butter to a hot knife to a butter. Boy, that's nice. That's really cool. I just did a quickie job on this. I'll have to do a better one later, but it cuts through that stuff like butter, hot knife through butter. So it works great, runs great. Like I said, that's a Shinidawa DH230 hedge trimmer. I had it for quite a few years. I think 10. I finally got a new bar on it. You're supposed to put oil in this. I didn't do that, so I'll have to get some oil and put on it because I ran out of bar oil. And she's all ready. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Do all that good stuff. Leave me a comment if you choose. If you don't choose. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Like I said, like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.